how to use the DocSign tool. From the home page, click on Tools and choose Sign Doc. To add a document, click Add New Document. You will then be asked to choose which type of document you are creating. In this example, I will choose the basic option because it fits what I need. Next, type in the name of the signer and their email address. You can add more signers if needed by clicking Add Signer, click CC if required, click Next Step when done. Enter your document name in Field 1, then copy and paste the content of the document in the space provided in Field 2. Under Document Options, you can choose whether you want to use other tools that can enhance and automate your documents. Just tick on the box. If you hover over the question mark icon beside each option, you will see a detailed description. You can also save a document as a template so that it will be ready for sending next time and there will be no need for setting up again. After choosing which additional tools you would like to use for the document, click on Save as Draft, Send Document or Preview Document. Before emailing the document, you can click on Preview Document to make sure everything is in order. Below are pictures of a sample document in preview mode. Once you're happy with your document and everything looks good, you can send the document by clicking Send Document. When you go back, you will see the document you recently added is listed there. This page will also allow you to view the status of the documents, awaiting signatures, draft, signed, trash, standalone, and templates.